Hello everyone! In this video, I'm going to show you how you can create a professional-looking real estate Facebook story. So if you run a real estate business or want to create a real estate Facebook story for your own Facebook page, account, or anything else, then this video is for you. Make sure to watch till the end. So go to Canva and search for a real estate Facebook story. Just type it and Canva will suggest the best options for you. Then go to See All. And just scroll and explore whichever template works best for you. So maybe I'll go with this one, and it looks like this one is free. I selected this one, and I'll customize it for you. You can explore and whichever template you like, just customize that one. So now you can see I have full access to modify whatever I want. If I want to change text, I'll just double-click on it and add or remove any text. Also, for text customization, these are the options available to you. You can just try them out. If you want to change color, make it bold, italic, these are the available options. That was about text customization options. Now, if you want to replace the template images, just go to Upload and upload images from your PC. For example, this is the image I want to replace. I'll just drag and drop it like this. Drag and drop, and your own image will replace the template image. Similarly, I will go with this one, like this, and like this. You can just drag and drop to replace your images. You can add your own website, details, logos, branding colors, backgrounds, everything. So when you're done with your modifications and adjustments, to download, rename your file, go to the Share option and download it in PNG or any other available format. Just download, and your real estate Facebook story is ready within a few minutes.